Mama? No, come here. Come here, my jumpy frog. Jump. I know you. Jump. No, what do you, what? Whoa. I have not gotten a picture of good jumping. That was, are you going to jump off the step? Good stepping down. This is what 17 months looks like. Don't jump off of that. No, sir. That's 2 steps. Sit down. Teo Park, thank you. Sit down. You can jump off the bottom one. Oh, boom. Can you jump for me? Can you jump? Can you jump for me, Tay Tay? Can you show me the jumps? Mama wants it on camera. You're like a little jump frog, a little leap frog. A jumping bean. He does like 5 or 6 like huge leaps. Jump. Come on. Jump for... You're such a stinker. Sit down, please. Sit down. Thank you. So cute though, isn't he? Even when he's not doing what I asked him to. Can you jump for me? No. That's not it. He does like 5 huge ones. Never on camera yet. Oh. I'm gonna have to remember it. So hard for me. So many cute things you do. How am I gonna remember them all?